Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can instantly remove the background of any of your pictures easily. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to instantly remove the background of any of your pictures, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this website, since this is where we will remove the background of any of our pictures instantly. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And now that you're on the website, I will now show you how you can remove the background of your images right here. So to do that, it's actually very easy. You just need to click this upload image option right here. And after that, you will now be directed to your file explorer, so you can now select the image that you wanted to remove the background. And once you've selected the image, you can now click this button. And after that, there it is guys. The website will now start the process of removing the background of the image sharply. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, the background of your image will now be removed just like that. And by the way guys, this tutorial also works on phone, so if you're using a phone, you can do the same step as what we're doing right now and you will be able to succeed. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.